In the previous lesson, we looked at visual, page, and report filters and how they differ from slicers. In this lesson, we'll use a drill-through filter to create a dynamic page of visuals in our report. To illustrate drill-through filters, we've created two new pages in our report. The drill-through filters page displays a simple bar chart of revenue by salesperson. The drill-through result page contains copies of several charts that we've seen in previous lessons. A drill-through filter allows report users to filter a chart on one page based on a selection from another page. In this example, we'll select a salesperson from the drill-through filters page and see how it affects the visuals on this page. Let's see this in action. Drill-through filters are added using the drill-through area at the bottom of the visualizations pane. We'll drag the salesperson field into this area. This does not immediately change the charts on this page, but we can see that a back arrow has appeared in the top left corner of the canvas. The back arrow allows users to return to the page where the filter originates. Let's navigate to the drill-through filters page. This chart shows us revenue by salesperson. To access the drill-through filter, we need to right-click on one of the bars, say that of Holmberg. We then select drill-through and drill-through result. This brings us back to the drill-through result page. However, the charts are now all filtered to show only data for the salesperson Holmberg. We can see that Holmberg generated $0.7 million of revenue in the Midwest region, more than any other region. The back arrow in the top left corner is most useful if the report is uploaded to the Power BI online service, where people can view the report without editing it. However, we can try it out here by holding Control and clicking the arrow. This brings us back to the drill-through filters page. Let's try another drill-through filter. This time, we'll right-click on the bar for Russ, select drill-through, and drill-through result. Again, we're brought to the drill-through result page, but this time our charts are filtered for the salesperson Russ. The drill-through filter can be used from any visual in this report that features salespeople. In effect, this drill-through page is a full report page that's dynamic and responsive to the user selection on any other page. When setting up a drill-through, we can decide whether we want to keep all the filters. We can see that this switch is currently off. To understand what this means, let's return to our drill-through filters page and add a slicer containing the region field. We'll select the South region from this slicer. Let's drill through for the salesperson Deland. On the drill-through results page, the charts are filtered to show information for Deland only. However, the region filter has not been carried over. The charts on the right of this page are clearly showing information for all regions. Let's now select the Keep All Filters option in the drill-through section. We'll then return to the drill-through filters page and drill through again for Deland. This time, we can see that the region filter has been carried over and the charts only show information for the South region. When we use the Keep All Filters option, any filters or slicers applied to the drill-through filters page are carried over to the drill-through results page. This can be helpful if you want to use the drill-through feature to focus on a specific subsection of your data. Let's stop the lesson here. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to use what-if parameters in our visualizations.